Hello everybody, it's Miss Broad and I have another mental health awareness video for you, and this one's about going out in nature. If you're feeling worried or a little bit sad, you can lift your mood greatly by getting outside, having some fresh air, doing a little bit of exercise and being mindful of your surroundings. So I've brought you out into my garden today and I'm going to take you with me, and we're just going to do a 1-minute mindfulness together. This will hopefully lift your mood and make you feel much better. All you need to do is look and listen to what you can hear in my garden. Are you ready? Let's go. What did you hear? What did you see? Maybe if your mood is a little bit sad or a bit worried, you could get out in your own garden, go and listen, go and look, maybe touch and see what you can smell. Have fun. Speak to you again soon. Bye for now.